My name is Xiaolin, and from the Quantum NIL Corporation. And Quantum NIL Corporation is a company working on the material engineering foundry. So it's a brand new business model in the market. So most material we are engineering is non-silicon material, and instead of the EUV and the DUV photolithography, we use the nanoimprint lithography as a key step for the processing the fine structure on the material. Actually, as a startup, this is the first time we joined this InnoVEX. And fortunately, we win a Future Star Award. And I think this experience is unexpected. So normally, I think the customer, they went here, they just look at and they just see your sample. But this time, we got a very unexpected because some customer, they asked lots of very specific questions related to technology. So it's a very useful, and this outcome for this event is for the Quantum NIL is very unexpected. It's very good, to be honest, very good, yeah.